Rosh being head. And this is an opportunity for us to pray for success in our endeavors during the month, to pray for good health and everything good and a blessing from above, and that all the wishes of our hearts should ascend to heaven. So we will enjoy looking together at a few of the words from the Rosh Chodesh prayer today. We can see this image of some kids having a little party outside, looking at the moon and having some fun on Rosh Chodesh, on the Newmoon festival, the monthly festival of the new moon. They even have a little moon on their cake. So they have a Newmoon cakey. So anyway, together with the students in the picture, let us understand some words from the prayer. We'll learn some grammar and some vocabulary related to this new month prayer, this Rosh Chodesh prayer. Joseph, if you would kindly read the 3 words that are on the screen, and let's see if we can break it down and get some meaning out of it. Kindly, if you would read for us, Joseph.
Okay. Eloheinu.
Very nice.
Ve'Elohei.
Well done.
Evoteinu.
Avotenu. Very nicely done. Within the first 2 words, there are some commonalities. We have the Aleph Lamed. Do we know what the Aleph Lamed signifies? Gideon, do you have an idea of that?
El, yes. Yes.
Go ahead.
El means God.
Well done. And also we have the Hey. The last 2 letters, the Nu, is called a possessive suffix. It means ours or our, like we would say. Like we would say in Swahili, we would say yetu or yangu. It's the possessive, and it is tacked right onto the end of a noun. So in this case, if we have Elo, which is signifying God, how would we translate Subi Eloheinu?
Our God.
Our God.
Well done. Exactly right, our God. The next word similarly refers to God, but it uses an interesting Seire Yud ending. This is the sign of plural, and it's a sign of connection. We call it smichut, that there's a connection between this word and the next word. So Velohe means and the God of. Velohe. So what are we referring to? We're referring to the God of Avotenu. So let's take a look at the word Avotenu. Well done. What word do we know that means father?
Abba.
Abba.
Well done. Excellent work. Excellent work. So the singular for father is Av or Abba, and the plural we discussed is an unusual case where even though it's obviously a masculine noun, the plural is feminine. What is the plural of Av? It's Avot, correct. Avot. And how do we say our fathers, our Avot?
Avotenu.
Exactly right, Avotenu. So we have Velohe and the God of Avotenu, our fathers. So we have Eloheinu, our God, Velohe, and the God of Avotenu, our fathers. And that's the way this prayer starts. Then we have our request, and our request is full of verbs, full of shorshim, full of Hebrew roots. And so let's play Hebrew detective a little bit now, Subi. We're going to read the root, which is usually a 3-letter combination, and then we're going to look for that root up above. Subi, could you kindly recite the first letter, the first word for us? And if you need a letter,
Salah.
I'm exactly
Salah.
right. Allah. Allah. That's right. Allah. That first, what is that first letter?
This is
That's our ayin.
the sin. Ayin.
Yeah. And the ayin is a silent letter. So you got it right.
Yes.
Allah. That means
Allah.
to ascend. Can we find any instance of Allah in our verse above?
Yes.
Ale.
The
Okay.
first letter.
Well done. Do you want to give that word a try? Try to pronounce that word.
Va'ale.
Aya Allah.
Very nice. Ya Allah.
Ya
Once
Allah.
more.
Meaning what?
May it ascend. May
Ya
it
a-
go up. Meaning may our prayer go up.
Ya
Ascend.
ale.
Sounds like Arabic.
Yeah, ya, Yalla, Allah, right. Yeah. But it's not related.
Ya
Well,
ale.
no,
was right.
right. I think Allah would be more closely related to when we see the Aleph
Ya
Lamed El
ale.
and think of God, that we have Allah, which I think is related. But this is the ayin, which sounds the same, but it's a different letter and it's not related. It means to ascend, to go up, Allah. Let's take another one. How about this one, brother? The second of our milim, of our vocabulary words.
Bo.
Well done, bo. Can we find an instance of bo? Now it might drop a letter, so be careful.
Aya
Don't-
Allah. Via o.
Well, that's the vet, the vo.
Via vo.
Well done.
I'm looking for Allah.
So Ya Allah, the Yavo, may it ascend and may it go forth. And again, it's referring to our memory, our remembrance before God. What is this yud then that we're dealing with before the words? We have the Ya, in this case, Ya Allah, the Yavo. The Ya is the future. It can either mean it will go up, or he will go up, or it could be may it go up. Like we're asking, like may it go up, may it go forth, like that. Ya Allah the Yavo. Very nice. Joseph, the next milah is a little more challenging. It's this one here. Can you recite it for us kindly?
Yes. Naga. Naga.
Oh, Joseph, nice.
Naga.
Very good. That means to arrive.
That Jima would disturb me.
It's a strange looking gimel, huh?
The font.
Yeah, let's do something about that. Wonder if I can
We
without
normally
spelling-
use David.
Right. Am I using David? We are using David, so that's the way it's appearing today for some reason.
Maybe
Let
in
us
our case.
Yeah, Let us look for naga in our verse. This one's a little trickier. Gideon, if you want to pipe in, you're welcome. We're looking for an instance of naga. And again, there may be a letter
Naga
that's
is the fourth letter. Aga. And ago.
close. I mean, you've definitely got the correct word, the third word, I believe. Let's try and pronounce this one, Subi. The.
Veyag.
Now, you may be confused because there are some extra, there are some extra symbols that are confusing us. I got rid of one. Let's try it once more. The.
Ve. Ya. Gi.
Nice.
That's you.
And yeah, that's Viyagi. That's exactly right. What do we do with this ayin with a patach under it, Gideon? This is a,
Ah.
yes, that's right.
Veyagia.
Ah.
Right, Viyagia. May it arrive. May it ascend, may it go out, may it arrive. The next shorish kindly, Gideon, the fourth root.
Ra'a.
Ra'ah. Ra'ah. Can we find Ra'ah? Do we see it? Okay.
First line, the very last words.
Very nice. Now let's do a careful job of breaking it into its open and closed syllables.
Beye. Be. Ye.
I heard vit.
Ra'e.
There you go. One more time. I lost it. It was correct. One more time.
Be. Ye. Ra. Be. Ye. Ra'e.
Nice. Very nice. Together, everyone. The ye ra e.
Ve.
Veyerae.
Ye.
Go ahead.
Ra. He.
Beautiful. And may it appear. The ye ra e. And may it appear.
Veyerae.
Gideon, why don't you give us the full verse now?
Ye. Ra'e.
Nice.
Veyerae.
Actually, let's allow Joseph to give it, Gideon, because the audio quality is not ideal. Let us give
Ya'alay.
Joseph a. Okay.
Okay. Va'ale.
So this is actually a yud at the beginning. Ya ale.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Ya'ale.
Nice.
Ve'avo. Ve'agia.
Very nice.
Neye ra'e.
Very nice. The first letter once more.
Vi.
Veye ra'e.
Beautiful.
Veye ratse.
Nice. There's your tzadi. Subi, you want to try this one? Subi veyeratse.
Ve. Ye. Latse.
Nice.
Veyishama.
Vishama.
Veyipakade.
Nice.
Veyizacher.
Beautiful. יעלה ויבוא ויגיע ויראה, וירצה, וישמע, ויפקד, ויפקד, ויזכר. All right. May there ascend, come and reach, appear, be desired and heard, counted and recalled. Zichronenu. Here we have the root zachar, to remember, and we turn it into the word zichron or zikaron, which means a remembrance or a memorial. And zichronenu means our remembrance. Likewise, we have pakad, which means to count, or again, to be recollected. It's another way of saying to be recollected or recalled. Pikadon means a remembrance or a recollection, and fikdonenu means our remembrance. So the whole idea of the Rosh Chodesh or New Moon prayer is to beg God to remember his people for good, for health, for income, for our heart's desires for good. Very nice work, guys. Let us conclude then this portion of the lesson today and move on now to some drill. Thank you very much for nice work on this one. Subi, we are going to enjoy some drill on